Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Twilio SendGrid with AI for personalized email copy. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Twilio SendGrid account if you haven't already. Visit the Twilio SendGrid homepage and click on Start for free. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and setup. Verify your email address as instructed to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu on the left sidebar. Select API keys from the drop-down. Click on the Create API Key button. Give your API key a name and select Full Access. Click the Create API Key button to generate your key. Make sure to copy your API key and store it securely, as you will need it later. Next, head over to your AI writing tool or platform that supports API integration. If you don't already have an AI tool in mind, consider popular options like OpenAI's GPT. Sign up for an account on the chosen AI platform if necessary. Once registered, access the API section of your AI tool. Generate an API key for the AI tool and remember to save it. Now, open your code editor or integrated development environment. Create a new project folder for your email configuration. Inside this folder, create a new file for your code, like sendemail.js. In your code file, import the required library. For Twilio SendGrid, you can use the official SendGrid Node.js library. Initialize the SendGrid client using the API key you saved earlier. Now, configure your email parameters like sender address, recipient address, subject, and HTML content. To create personalized email copy, integrate the AI tool's API in your code. Make a call to generate text by providing prompts relevant to your email campaign. Retrieve the response from the AI and format it as your email body. Before sending the email, ensure all fields are populated correctly and formatted as desired. Use the SendGrid client to send the email with the configured parameters. Test your setup by sending a sample email to your own address. Check your inbox to confirm that the email was received successfully. If everything works, you can start scaling by setting up multiple personalized email campaigns using similar code. Consider automating your email sending process based on triggers like user interactions or sign-up events. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.